Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are having an amazing day. Okay, so in today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to add Bollinger Bands on our chart and we'll see how they can be useful while trading. So I have already added Bollinger Bands on this chart. So let me delete them. I'll show you how you can add it again. So just hit right click, delete series, yes. And now let's add Bollinger Bands, study, and you'll see Bollinger Bands here. Click, and this is a default configuration, so we'll keep as it is and hit apply. So once you apply Bollinger Bands on your chart will look like this. Whenever there is a less volatility in the market, Bollinger Bands they contract and there is a less gap in upper band and lower band. But whenever there is a fluctuation or as soon price fluctuates, upper band and lower band they move away from each other. In other words, they expand. So if you see this area here, the stock is kind of going sideways. So there is nothing much going on in the Bollinger Bands. They are like quite, the same distance. And as soon we reach this candle, you'll see that there is a price fluctuation from this point onwards. And you see upper band and lower band, they are kind of moving away from each other. So now, how we can use Bollinger Bands while trading and get more confirmations. Okay. So while trading or while taking position, buy position, what we want to do is we want to get as many confirmations as possible. And many people, what they do is as soon the stock price is at lower Bollinger Band, they try to predict the reversal and try to take a position and kind of gamble. But what I would like to do is I would like to get more confirmations. So when I say the stock price here is touching a lower Bollinger Band, I see RSI is also good. So I have two confirmations to take a position, but you never know. You can, there can be like stock will go downwards from this point, or it may go upwards. So in this particular scenario, what I would like to do is I would like to wait, even though my RSI is saying it's a good point to buy or it's a good time to buy. I would like to wait until my price moves above or goes above this moving average. So as soon I have my green candle pushing upwards or it's going above this moving average, there is one confirmation that price movement is towards like it's kind of uptrending, right? So I would like to wait here and then I would like to take my position. So here if you see RSI is also looks good, even though it's not good as this point, but at least we have a confirmation that the stock is moving upwards. So I take my position here and then, just wait and until this point where RSI is also saying it's overextended and Bollinger Band is also, and our stock price is kind of touching the upper Bollinger Band, it's a good time to sell. So this is what or how we can use Bollinger Bands while trading. So again, there is one more scenario here. If you see, now the stock price here is kind of touching the lower Bollinger Band. RSI is saying, yeah, it's a good time to buy. But again, I'll wait for my confirmation and I'll wait until this point where, I have stock price moving above this moving average and then take my position say so that, I know that stock is going upwards. So here, if you see, RSI is not that overextended or overbought. So basically, it's a good time to buy around this point and just wait and let it ride. And once we are like touching upper band and RSI is saying that okay, so it's a good time to sell, and that's when I will sell my stock. So that's how you can use Bollinger Bands while trading, and that's all I wanted to share with you guys. So that's all for now, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you don't want to miss out more content like this, please click on that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please do let me know in that comment section. Thank you.